100 years ago, a particular staff was discovered in the deepest depths of the Dragon's Tomb. This staff is known as the Dragon Cry, and it holds enough magic power to eradicate an entire continent. Several days ago, the staff was taken by force by Zash Kane.
So, who among you woke up hungry for a fight this morning?
I can sense a ton of magic power behind that door.
Wendy!
Well, they just made an enemy out of me. No one hurts my friends! Hey, Wendy, hang on to this!
Got it!
You're gonna pay!
I'll save you with a raging river of love! Open! Gate of the Archer!
Wrong. I never lived to kill dragons. I've got a better reason than that. For my friends. To protect them. That's why I'm still alive! That's why I fight! And why I'm gonna stop you!